Japanese 好き、嫌い are adjectives, unlike in English where like, dislike are verbs. They're rather favorite or not favorite in Japanese. So use が not direct object が青. Also use ですじゃないです at the end, not ますません. I like meat is 私は肉が好きです. You can change this が into は if you want to imply I like meat but I don't like fish, or I don't like meat but I like fish. You're contrasting the noun to the other options. Remember that は has the topical function, like I'm going to talk about the character who is already on the stage. This topic function creates but I do not know anything about what's not on the stage, or but I'm not responsible about what's not on the stage at the same time. 犬は可愛いです means the dog is cute, but also implies but the other characters are not cute. That is what the speaker wants to imply. When the speaker says それはわかりません I do not know about it, he's also saying but I do know the other things at the same time. A typical mistake even Japanese native speakers may make is to say 今日は綺麗ですね with what? When trying to compliment a friend or coworker. Most likely, the coworker might be upset, saying, what do you mean 今日は? Because the implication, of course, is, but you're not beautiful on the other days. So please say, 今日は一段と綺麗ですね. Again, 好き嫌い are adjectives, more like my favorite or not favorite. English speakers often say, I like your coat as a compliment, but Japanese, 私はあなたのコートが好きです sounds like your coat is my favorite, or can I have your coat? Instead, please say, そのコートかわいいですね。いいコートですね。